What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to import projects in Eclipse. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. Open up Eclipse and in your Package Explorer window select Import Projects. On this window open General and select Existing Projects into Workspace. When clicking on Next, make sure to choose Select Archive File, and then you can browse using your File Explorer to find the project you wish to import. After clicking on Open, the project will be listed here. Click on Finish, and after a few seconds your project will be imported. During your import, Eclipse extracted the zip file to your workspace directory. In your File Explorer, in your workspace, you will see a newly created project folder. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.